Good morning, everyone. This is Sai Kumar. Today, I'm going to share a few websites where biggest universities they are providing free courses in this lockdown. It's very good opportunity for the learners who want to learn. Number of courses are there where you can learn lots of things. Right? Do subscribe my channel. Share to your friends about these free courses. And let's go to the first type of course. Like you can see my screen. Harvard courses, the Harvard, the famous university, you know it. So go to the Google, just type Harvard, and you can see here free online courses from the Harvard University. You have to click here. After after clicking this link here, you will get the page like this, whereas you can see the page right now. One second. Right, now you can see the three lines here. You can click. You are having number of courses in art and design, business, education and teaching, health and medicine, programming, science, social science, humanities, mathematics, computer science and data science, right? So whichever the field you want to learn the course, right, you just click here. Suppose example, I want to learn about the business, so just I'm clicking the business here. Select the difficulty level. You want introductory or intermediate or advanced. Just I want introductory level. Like I will select the duration, how much duration I want. Just I want to learn about 0 to 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks I want to complete the course. I have selected the 0 to 2 weeks. So now they are displaying, see here, now they are displaying in the courses, right? See, you can see the number of courses and you can see the free courses here, right? You can see my cursor, the free courses you can see here. So you have to select and you can learn these free courses. This is very wonderful opportunity. See, biggest universities, see some courses are having some amount also. You don't need to go for those things. It's a very huge amount. When we can't pay like those huge amounts, right? Whatever the free courses you are having, you can utilize here. It's very good opportunity. But one thing in Harvard universities, they are providing the free courses, but to get certification you have to pay some amount, some $100-$200. It's very huge amount, like a very big university where they can charge that amount. Like if you don't want any certification, like you can go and you can search this, you can enroll the course, try to learn the new things. This is about the first course. No need to take tension. I will just paste this link in the description of the video. You can see the video description and you can click the link. You can go direct to the link. This is the first one, Harvard University. Let's go to the second, Startup India. Startup India is nothing but the famous for Indian people, whereas you can see this government of India has started this to give a platform for the new ideas, etc. So this organization also providing a free course here. I will give the link in the description. No need to take tension. So normally what happens here, they are not the teachers won't teach you or the any video classes, but the thing is you can get the videos of famous founders of India, the successful founders, like example Ola, Make My Trip, Redbus. So these all people, they will share their knowledge to you, and you can put this knowledge in your if you want to have a startup, right? And you are having a very good opportunity here. You can learn the course in English and Hindi also. I will give the description in the link and you can directly go to the link and learn the things. So this is the second one. The third one is TCS. Tata company is providing a very excellent course for the undergraduate and postgraduate students, whereas it's totally about this personality development. The students can learn about the communication skills, corporate etiquette is like and corporate level of training, how they carry on the things. These are all things, right? Very good opportunity. Those who are trying for the job, those who are already in the job, they can enroll this course and they can learn. It is totally free. You can just sign up with the description link. I'm giving the link in the description. You can go and learn, right? It's a very good opportunity for everyone, those who want to excel their skills. This is the third one where you are going to learn. The fourth one is Ashraf's Academy. This academy is totally famous for the business marketing, business and marketing for marketing and blogging. So you are having the two courses here, like marketing with Ashrafs and blogging for business. Those who are interested in blogging and marketing, digital marketing, they can go for this and learn the things. Normally this Ashrafs Academy is very famous academy. They charge lots of amount in the normal days, but during the lockdown courses they are providing a free course. And the description also I'm going to give in the below link. The fifth one, like next is Udemy. You know it, Udemy. See, you can see here Udemy Academy. So this institution provides courses in the normal range price, 700 to 800 price. Normally their courses will be like that, but now during this lockdown time they are providing free courses in different categories. So it's still loading. You can I will give the description link and you can go and see. You got it. Normally they charge normal amount, but in lockdown they are giving a free courses. See, normally you can see the courses amount 700, 710, 750. This is the range of courses, but I will send you the free free courses link in the description of this video. You can see the down. You can directly go to that link and you can learn the things. So you are having a number of courses like coding, personality development, photography, those who are interested in photography, and HTML. Lots of different category courses you are going to get here. So hope you like this video. You learned about Harvard University free courses and Startup India, TCS, Yon, Ashraf's Academy, whereas digital and blogging, online courses of Udemy. So totally these courses I will give the description in the link, all the links in the descriptions. Share to your friends, subscribe my channel, and wait for the next video. I will come up with a new idea, new video, and whereas you can excel your skills and you can lead your life successfully. Signing off, this is Sai.